Do you know the difference between two and two? Mr. Mitchell here, and welcome to Nothing Fancy Literacy. These three words sound exactly the same, but they all have different meanings. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly when to use each one. Let's start with two. To, spelled T-O, can show direction. For example, we walked to school. Here, to tells us where we walked. To, spelled T-O, can also come before a verb or action word. For example, I want to eat. She likes to read. Now let's look at two. To, spelled T-O-O, has two meanings. It can mean also. For example, I like pizza too. It can also mean more than needed. For example, the bag is too heavy. The bag is heavier than we want it to be. Finally, let's look at two. Two, spelled T-W-O, is simply the number two. For example, she has two dogs. Whenever you're talking about the number, use two, spelled T-W-O. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and see if you can work out the missing words. Let's check the answers. I have two TWO brothers and one sister. We use two because we are talking about the number. Now look at the second sentence. I want to go shopping to TOO. The first answer is 2TO because it comes before the action word go. The second answer is 2TOO because it means also. Let's quickly recap. To, spelled T-O, shows direction or comes before a verb. To, spelled T-O-O, means also or more than needed. And to, spelled T-W-O, is the number two. If you found this lesson helpful, like and subscribe to help other English learners discover our lessons. I'll see you in the next video.